Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log out of YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your YouTube app, first open up your YouTube app on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the U button available for us over here just beside the subscriptions. Tap on U button at the bottom right and you land on this interface. Again, you will be required to tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and when you land over here you can see the account option available for us. Tap on the account option over here, and when this opens up guys, when this menu opens up, you can see the manage account button available for us just above the learn more about account options. Over here tap on manage accounts, and over here you can see the Google option available for us. Now in order to proceed, you need to know a thing, that is we will be only able to log into YouTube with a Google account. So in order to log out from your YouTube app, you will be logging out of your Google account on the YouTube. So tap on the Google over here just below the Facebook, or in your case wherever it may be, and all of the accounts which you have logged into your YouTube will be over here. Now choose the account from which you want to log out of your YouTube app, and when this appears guys, you can see after choosing or tapping on the account from which you want to log out of your YouTube, this kind of interface will appear. Tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen at the top right, and tap on the remove account over here just below the sync now, and then this kind of pop-up will appear where you can tap on the remove account over here, and then your account will be removed from YouTube as well as you'll be signed out from your YouTube app. And with that being said guys, this is how to log out of your YouTube app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.